Alright guys, today it's me and Tyler. We done spotted the squirrel, so we're gonna kinda hurry up. So you're gonna have to just kinda be patient with us while we chase him around the street. Alright. That's the tree he's in right there. We're gonna try to find him. You see him? Alright guys, just hang on. We think he's in that tree, but we're not completely sure. So just hang tight with us and we'll be back with you in just a second. Alright guys, we're fixing to shoot this nest right here with the pellet rifle. We're gonna see what happens. Well, nothing happened. So we're gonna move on and keep trying to find this squirrel, cause we don't really know where he's at right now. Alright. Alright guys, so we're gonna try this nest out right, hang on Tyler. Right there. Still nothing. We normally have shotgun shells, but you know how the government is. We really don't have. Can't really find shotgun shells right now, so we're just sticking with the pellet rifle, because plus they're cheaper. So where's my pellet rifle? Alright, we'll get back with you in just a second again. Alright, so we think we might have found where he's at. Right there. No. Right there. We really don't know where he's at, because we were at least 25-30 yards away from him when we spotted him, so we had to run and we really don't know where he's at. So alright, so we never did find that squirrel. We'll give him a go tomorrow. So right now we're going to another patch of woods where we're going to try to find another squirrel, which I know there's like at least 3 in there. So we'll get back with you as soon as we walk way over here. Way over there to those tall pine trees over there. So see you in a minute. Alright, we just got here. We just went on the about 400-yard walk across the field and through a little bit of woods. So we're gonna be hunting in some pine trees, which is right here. And we're going back towards the neighborhood right now that we so much very hate. We hate it so bad. I mean, there used to be deer around here. There's no deer around here now, because there's no trees around here and there's nowhere for them to go. So as soon as we see a squirrel, we'll bring you back on. Alright, so we just spotted some doves. I really can't see him on the video camera, but he's somewhere right in there. He just took off, so we're gonna stick to looking for some squirrels now. Alright, so we're gonna look in this tree right here. We don't see nothing. We did find a nest, but nothing came out, so what about that one right there? We're gonna kill. We just found another nest. We're gonna just right. What'd you drop out of those? Shooting sticks. It's right there, and we're gonna shoot at it, and if anything comes out, I'll cut the camera back on. But for right now, see you in just a second. Try to shoot at this nest right here real fast. And of course, like every other nest, there's nothing else in it, so we will be back in a minute. Bye. Alright guys, we just found our second squirrel. We're gonna try to kill him right now. So stick with us. We're gonna try to get this one on videotape. He's in this tree right here. Yep. Don't shoot nothing yet.
Oh, I see him.
You do?
Yeah, he's on your side.
Oh, I see him. Come here, come on this. Where's he going?
Stay right there.
Alright, I see him, Tyler.
See, you got a good shot on him? Or, see a good shot?
He's right. He's right there. See him up there?
Yeah.
There he goes. He just went up higher. Hang on, guys. Hey, he's up in the top. He can't go nowhere.
I know.
Hang on, guy. Hang on.
Hey, where's shoot sticks?
Alright, you got it? No, dude, freehand it.
I can't.
Why?
Because it's in right. It's almost dead in the sun.
He's right up there, guys. Right in the middle of the screen, so I'm going to just kind of back it out right there so you can see. I'm going to try to get it whenever he falls down, if he does. So I'm going to go ahead and back it out all the way. So, hurry up.
Looks like I ain't gonna have to freehand it.
Freehand it.
I am. Alright, let me find it.
Do I need to shoot him?
No.
If you miss him, I'm shooting him. Got him. Hurry up, reload.
Watch him fall out the tree.
Alright guys, I'm gonna cut y'all off real fast. And we'll get back with you in just a second. Alright guys, we're back. We're fixing to shoot him again. Alright, I'm fixing to shoot, Tyler.
I got you.
Here. Alright, you ready? We're gonna trade over real fast. So
We're
gonna pause it for just a second and we'll be right back. Alright guys, we're back. We haven't switched over yet. We decided we're gonna try one more shot at it. So here we go. We're gonna try. Alright, it's my turn, so we're gonna swap over and I'm gonna pause it real fast.
Alright guys, it's Tyler here. We're gonna try to find the squirrel. He's up in this tree. He was up in that one, but I'm gonna get him right here. If we can find him.
Go on the other side of the tree.
I'm right up under the tree right now.
See him?
No. We'll get right back to you whenever we find him. Alright, we found him. He's right up here in the top of this tree.
Stay right where you're at. I'm gonna move.
He's somewhere up in there. There he goes, running across.
He's running across.
He ran right here. He's up.
There he goes.
There he goes, up in the tree. Watch him, Nate. Watch him, Nate.
There he goes. He's crossing over. He's gonna cross over again.
Alright, well let him cross over that one time right there. Just don't let him get on the ground.
Stay on that other side of the tree.
Alright. Alright, we'll get right back to you whenever we find him. Alright guys, next is going to shoot up here. See if he can get him. Nothing yet. Here you go.
You got a pellet? Where's that?
Right here. Loading the pellet right in there.
Alright guys, we'll be back in just a second for more action. Go on the other side. Alright, you see this?
Alright, we found him right here. Alright.
Stay right here.
Alright.
Stay right here. Be still.
Which branch is it? The one that...
You'll see it when he moves.
Alright.
See him move?
No. Is he at the top?
Yeah, pretty much. I see him. See him move?
Oh yeah, there he goes. He's jumping to this tree.
Watch it.
He can't, wait, can he jump over there?
I don't know. No, power line company cuts all those limbs.
Alright. So he's stuck up in this tree right here. He was in that one, he's in this one now.
I know where he's at. I might have to go on the other side of the fence. Grab my sheet, or I'm gonna grab my... Pause it. Grab my shooting stick.
Alright, we'll get right back to you. Alright, we found him.
Alright.
Right up there. Right there.
You see him?
There he goes. He's coming down, Don't let him get on the ground.
Give me the pellet gun. Give me the pellet. I know where he's at.
Oh, I see him right here. He's coming down.
Carry him back up.
He's running across. He's up this tree right here. He's up in that tree. Oh, here he is. He's going up. No, there he goes right there. Don't let him get on the ground. This sucker's small, so it's hard to hit him. Where is he? Oh, he's in this oak tree? Huh? Oh, there he is right there. Here, let me shoot.
Let me watch him.
Did you see him?
Yeah.
Huh? Where is he? Where? Right. Hey, what are you doing? We'll get right back to you. Alright, we found him. He's right up here.
See him move?
No. Let me shoot, Nate. Did he jump trees? Did you find your pellets?
They're back out there in the field.
Alright, it's recording.
Alright guys, we're gonna try this again. Here, take this pellet real fast. Yeah. He's up in this branch right here. They're just looking for him right now. Give me a second while I walk down across here. Alright. On that branch we saw him run on? Yeah. Where at? Up at the top?
No. Seems like I seen him. I couldn't tell.
You know you can pull the scope up and look for it.